Yo, what is up, fam? So a pretty special day for me today. We get to spend a day with the man Chase Shiel himself. We're going to be doing a little bit of customization. We're going to be learning a little bit about the trade, and some things that Chase will want to share with you guys. It's actually a public holiday, so I'm working on public holiday just for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do like the content, please don't forget to like. And if you like the content in general, please consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll go show the shoes that we're going to be customizing today. I think I've already mentioned these in one of my previous vlogs before, and I never wore them, so I wanted to really do something with them, and it's these ones here. These are very hard to wear with. I didn't really want to sell them because I don't think that it would be very good, or even I don't even think general interest for these sneakers are very high. So I'm going to be customizing them to make them look like this. All right, so hopefully we can do that today. If not, then that's okay. At least we got to learn something, and just to get the feel of what it is like to be a sneaker customizer. Well, what Chase does, he actually makes the uppers, and he actually it's like cut and sew what he does. He'll be teaching us a couple of his ways and a couple of tips that if you want to become one, what you got to do. Anyway, guys, let's get into this video, shall we? What is up, guys? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So I'm with my man Chase Shiel, the sneaker customizer wonder. So I'm just gonna let him introduce himself to you guys. Let's go, Chase.
Thanks, Mark. So I'm Chase. I remake sneakers from the ground up, just reuse the sole. But today we're going to do a really somewhat simple edit with Mark, showing what it's all about. So yeah, I hope you're ready to get on the tools. Yeah, man, I'm so excited. I've been actually waiting for this day for a really long time, and I'm glad I could actually share this with you, for you guys, for any kind of future kind of customizers out there that would want to do it. So it's kind of like a little bit of a little snippet into Chase's world on the kind of stuff he does, because if you haven't seen his stuff, he does amazing work. He does really cool, intricate detailing on sneakers, and like so many people been wearing his sneakers. NBA players, even Kevin Hart.
This movie's out, as you see. I'm in my snowball colors. You see me? That's my snowball colors right there.
Kevin Hart, I can't believe Kevin Hart actually bought his sneakers, and even showed it onto his social media. So Chase, can you give us like a little bit of a summary of what we're going to be doing today?
So mainly we're just going to be changing the swoosh, as well as the tongue. So yeah, it's quite simple, but the real kind of tricky part is stitching and swoosh on, especially when you haven't sewn before. So
we're not going to be doing too much, obviously, because I only have only a day, because Chase is so busy all the time. So even
we'll see how we go. Yeah.
So let's just, I reckon we should just get straight into it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Are you afraid to ask any questions?
I will, man. Don't worry. Thank you.
I know you haven't done it before, so I'm not going to get frustrated. Not yet.
That's it. Okay, guys, so this is it. So Chase already got started already. He started taking off some of the stitching here. So we're going to be using this tool. So this is called the seam ripper, and this is what we're going to be using to take off the little stitching. So I have to go all the way down here, and when I get to the middle, I'm not going to do the top ones here. I'm only going to do the sides on the left and the right, and then I'm going to continue all the way down to here and all the way back up there. So let's get started.
So now what I'll do is just pull it, then do that, and just keep pulling it. It's a lot easier.
So I've done this part, guys, so it's come off. Kind of frayed in some bits, but it's my first time, guys. That's how you do it. I was struggling. I had to get Chase down here. So we got both the swooshes off now. Now, I've already started it, but we're gonna take off the tongue now. So we gotta take off these two stitchings at the bottom of the tongue here. This is technically what's just attaching this tongue to the rest of the upper. Okay, so next step is to actually take all this stitching off around the tongue. So we're going to be taking this off. We might be thinking about reusing this for the orange tag. But we're actually taking off all the stitching. So all the stitching around there, even on the back, all these two lines. And yeah, let's get started. So now it's off. So this is what we've got. Now that we're done with the tongues, we're going to be stenciling out or tracing out these little swooshes. You can see the tags there, a little bit of the tag, but we're not going to include that. We're just going to go straight, and yeah, we're going to be putting it onto the matte kind of material. But we're drawing on this side, as you can see. There's already an example done by Chase there. So we're probably going to be doing the same thing. And we've got to remember to do 2 this way and then 2 that way, because obviously you're going to be doing it on either side of the sneaker. So let's get into it. This is a silver pen. So next we've got to cut these out. So next we'll be cutting out these, so these ones here, because they're gonna go right there. They're gonna go right here, like that. So next we're gonna be using the stencil again. So we're gonna be putting this onto this, the pig skin, and yeah. So it just makes these a little bit thicker, because as you can see they're kind of flimsy. Okay guys, so next we got this. So as we said before, we're going to get the patent leather ones, and we're going to be sticking it onto here using this cement glue and this brush. Okay guys, so today's progress, I think we did a lot of work. So we were able to get rid of the tongue. So we took off the tongue off the Jordans there, as you can see there. So we took off all the different stitchings. We took off all the tongue tag as well. And we even got to making our Nike, what do you call it? The swoosh that's gonna go on the side. Oh, this will be like this side here. So they'll be going in there. So it's starting to take place. I gotta admit, it's a lot harder than I thought it would be, because it's like, you know, it's a lot of, you know, you have to actually put a lot of effort into all your cutting and all the detailing of it. So mad props to Chase, because he does a really good job, and like now that I've kind of experienced what he's doing, it's like, oh my gosh, it's even harder. So yeah, definitely all his work, I could see where all the kind of time and effort goes into. So yeah, it's really cool, and I want to give a big shout out to Chase once again. But yeah, this is all we're able to do today, guys. So we're gonna have to come back and do the rest the following week. So yeah, let's go.